I mean, the signs were there the very first presidential debate between him and Trump, because I remember having a conversation with my wife before that debate, and I was really upset with right-wing media, because I thought that they had over-embellished Joe Biden's cognitive ability. I thought that I just thought there's no way that somebody's running for president that cannot formulate a sentence, and right off the bat, right away, you could see it, and I realized nobody's driving this train up there. It's nobody's behind the wheel, and it was. I mean, it was very apparent throughout the entire the entire administration, and then they pulled him, and I don't think anybody changed. Nobody changed, and I mean, this woman didn't even get any votes. How's she the one running? How's this happening? You know, but I think it's really sad where we're at. You know, people just, they cannot see past their own party lines, and from what I see in this country is on both sides, is that we've lost critical thinking, and I think that's extremely dangerous, a very dangerous spot to be in.